Yeah, my peeps, this is the type of bike that I ride. I call it the three-wheel tricycle bicycle. You know? It's easy. So everything to me. You can go everywhere in the world. Different from when you take a vehicle or so. But you don't know, you have to do the right thing. My name is David Colin Hebert. I'm a certified Tyler. I'm a DJ. I'm a musician overall. Most of my life is about music. Yes, come for it now. I am a farmer from I was like 11 years old. I help myself on doing farming. I raise chicken, goat, cow. I try every little thing, because you don't know in Jamaica you have to try. Without you try, who is gonna make things go for it? So all I want me do is to endorse myself and endorse others. So right now I want to really finish up myself to a level where I can sign up with RADA. That is the next step I want to make, because RADA can give me a lot of help and benefits